Hi, it's Kassy, artist in residence with Imagine. Today we're going to make this fun mixed media tag using some fireworks spray and creative medium in shimmer. So I'm starting with a couple of different stencils and I'm just going to apply each one separately. We've got like that scripty thing, and then we have just some dots. I thought that they would look nice together and provide a little bit of fun texture to the background of this tag. So the creative medium here in shimmer goes on really nice and smooth and buttery. You just have to be careful if you're doing two different stencils, obviously, to not smush the other one. You want to let it dry completely before this next step. But one of the things I really love about the Imagine craft mat is this technique that I can do with it. Really easy, and look at how easily it cleans up the mess and is ready for the next color. I'm using fireworks spray. The lighter red there is ladybug and this darker red is rhubarb stalk. So I'm doing a monochrome piece, but you'll see I'm just kind of smushing it down, and I dry it in between each layer to make sure that I'm able to keep those varied tones of red, so the darker and the lighter, and just kind of the staining look that it's giving. I really love the way that this technique looks on a mixed media piece, and I love using the craft mat for it because, as you can see, it cleans up so easily, and you're ready for the next color or whatever the next step is of your project. So I'm always using this mat for things like this. And then finally, I wanted to add a little bit of contrast and drama to the background, so I added some tuxedo black fireworks spray, but I'm doing it with a paintbrush so that I can control a little bit more where it goes, and I really wanted to have some kind of drips there and the organic sort of free flow of that ink. So that's another way that you can use fireworks spray. For this resin piece, I'm using white all-purpose ink because that white all-purpose ink covers really well and it's opaque. So it just was perfect for that. I wanted it to be a nice stark white. So while that's drying, I'm going to get a glue dot and stick it to the back of my tag, and then I'm going to wrap this string, this black string, around here about 5 times. Usually an odd number is best, and that's just going to help draw your eye to the focal point in the end. I found this wire mesh that I used on another project, and I had a little bit left over, and I thought that it would be really fun to include as a texture in another sort of way to bring your eye into the focal point. So I covered it with some Pico Embellisher in black, and then I cut out these words that I stamped in Versamark Claire and Nocturne. And so I'm just kind of putting all the little pieces together using some heavy gel medium to stick everything down. And there is my final tag. It was super quick and easy and fun to make. I love doing monochrome pieces. It's fun to just challenge yourself in that way. And this is really, tags are a fun way to play with your mixed media supplies and see what they can do. I hope you enjoyed this project, and for more inspiration, please visit imaginecrafts.com. Thanks so much for watching.